Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset LinkedIn password, easy fix step by step clearly. To reset your LinkedIn password, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn login page. Once you're there, locate the Forgot Password link beneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will now be prompted to enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account. Type in your email address and click the Send Code button. Check your email for a message from LinkedIn. Open the email and look for the security code. Copy the security code from the email. Return to the LinkedIn password reset page. Paste or enter the security code into the designated field. After entering the code, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets LinkedIn's security requirements. Make sure to confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. Once you've done that, click the Change Password button. A confirmation message will appear, indicate you can now proceed to log into your LinkedIn account using your new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.